What's going on YouTube? Today we are going to be installing a quick release steering wheel on an 87 Chevy. I'll show you all the things you need and how to do it, everything like that. Let's start out with uninstall of the normal steering wheel. So if you look in here, I've already removed it because I traded it for an intake for something else. I'm sorry about my voice, it's a little fucked up. Trying to get it fixed. But you remove the steering wheel, there's a bolt right here that you take off. It should be a 13/16. Take it off. You might have to wiggle it around to get the steering wheel off because it'll be stuck. Because most of the time it's really impossible to get it off. They make a little tool to use it to pull it off, but I don't know how. I don't have that tool. But here's a little bolt that holds the steering wheel on. Then all you got to do is unhook the horn. Should be good. Let me get a drink real quick. Sorry. But yeah, this is all you need to put on a NRG quick release, or just the steering wheel, because the hub is capable of just taking the steering wheel straight to the hub, or you can get the adapter, which I'll show you the adapter afterwards. But this is the hub. The part number is kind of hard to see sometimes, but it's right there, 170H. Look that up. You can get it from AutoZone, or you can go just directly to this account or the website under that and get that. And then with the steering wheel, it's just a normal steering wheel from NRG steering wheel. See, it's branded NRG. I like it. It's cool. I fucking love it. The quick release, I got this a long time ago. I had it on my RX-8, but here's the hub for the RX-8. If anybody needs one, let me know. I'll send it to you because I don't need it anymore because I don't got an RX-8. But the quick release will come with this top piece and the bottom piece that goes on the steering wheel. Then you have to purchase the steering wheel separately. So these are three different parts right here. Now, the steering hub from AutoZone right now was $170, or no, $160 before tax and shipping. Now, they do offer free shipping. NRG does not, and I looked it up on NRG. It's $180, which I'm like, why is there such a price difference on that? But you can't do much about that one. But yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna figure out how to turn this goddamn. All right. Got to flip it around. I had to stop the video for a second to do it, but that's stupid. Fix that iPhone. I want to be able to switch between front and rear camera. But yeah, all you need is this, not this bottom hub, the top piece that comes with the quick release, the steering wheel, some Allen keys, a ratchet of your designated size. Mine's a 1/2 inch gear wrench, 84 tooth socket or ratchet with a 13/16 socket on it. If you need gear wrench stuff, you can go to Harbor Freight, order them online, stuff like that. But yeah, you need your Allen keys to put these on here. You need your Allen keys to put these bolts onto the hub, but you can't put the quick release part on until you get the hub installed. So let's go do the hub real quick. Try to give you guys a quick rundown on how to line it up. Don't mind the dirtiness of the truck. So I'm doing this all one-handed, so give me a little bit. So if you look at it, there's normally a piece of plastic that sticks out here. I broke it because I'm stupid, but it's not really that important, I hope. But you line the hole up with that, and it should find a tooth. You just wiggle it around just a tad bit. Percent, keep it a nice push in. See, that's there. This is for, I think, your horn, but we're not installing the horn because we're gonna do an exterior horn button because we're lazy and we don't want to do that. You just tighten this down, tighten it down, tighten it down. Turn your ratchet on, and then you just crank her down until she stops. It's supposed to be a torque rating, but I don't know what the torque rating is, so we just go how tight we can get it. like right there. That's about 75 foot-pounds of torque right there. Make sure it's pretty snug. It's not turning. Let's try to turn the wheel instead of just turning the hub itself on the splines, which is good. But if you look, that's the hole for the plastic piece. There's multiple other holes. I don't know what those holes are for. We don't care about those holes. So we're done with the ratchet. Take the ratchet away. Put the ratchet down. Now, all we gotta do is find ourselves an Allen key that fits these bolts. Oh, another good thing about these wheels, these holes right here will line up for a racing simulator steering wheel off of like Logitech. They're like G920. Take these bolts out and you can bolt it right back in and replace that steering wheel on your racing sim for a full-size steering wheel instead of a little dinky thing that they do have. If you guys want to watch me do that, hit the subscribe button. I will hopefully in the future be able to afford another one of these wheels because they are not exactly the cheapest things in the world. I better have this size that I need. No. All right, black pair it is. And look at that, the first one I grab on black pair. All right, there. Look at that. That's pretty tight. So, let me set your cat down for a second. Take it out. These little springs. Confirm. Findings. Yep. All right, this is the size. Now we'll take these all out. I'll show you guys the inside of the RX-8 one. Which, if you go to the NRG website, they have a form showing you like what vehicles. It has a lot of vehicles like F-150s, older F-150s, F-100s, C10s, and then they got the K series Chevys. I think they have some newer Chevys like the 90 series OBS Chevys. But all I needed was the one for 87 Chevy C20. Which, if you guys do have a C20, you go to AutoZone, or if you go to AutoZone, you gotta be careful. You have to figure out if it's a Mexican-made truck or an American truck, because it will change the parts a little bit. Not much for this part. This part will be the same no matter what. But yeah, I mean, you just see they have little things here for the horn to be able to work, but we don't really care about the horn because truck loud. So let me set you guys back up real quick. Let me get a couple of these started. Let me get a couple of these started so I can do this one-handed for you guys. And if you guys are wondering what I'm recording on, I'm recording on my iPhone because my GoPro decided it don't want to work like a GoPro. It just wants to take pictures. Unless I hook it up to webcam, and then it works like a webcam. But we'll make it work with our iPhone. You can still record a pretty good quality video with this damn thing. I spent $1,000 on it. I hope I could. If you guys like this and you want to see more stuff like this, we're doing obnoxious things to vehicles, just let me know. I do have this 87 here that I will be mostly restoring. Like, I'll be replacing the seat. If you guys want to see me redo the whole seat, because like no cushion, this is all bars in the bottom. Want to see me redo all this, let me know. I'll get all this stuff to do that. Just, you guys gotta have to support me a little bit, because I don't make a lot of money, just enough to get by. So with every little bit I get, it goes into something for either my computer or my vehicles. I'm trying to look through the camera and do this with my eyes on the camera. It's kind of hard. I wish I had my assistant, aka my wife, to come hold the camera for me. This would be so much faster for you guys. Do apologize, but hey, again, let me say, if you guys enjoy this, please subscribe, show me some love. Go follow me on Twitch. My link for my Twitch is in my bio if you want to go watch that. I live stream on there too. I live stream on YouTube and Twitch because I like how YouTube saves the live stream, so later on I can go through and edit out clips for YouTube shorts for you guys. Which there will be a short made for this as soon as I get the wheel installed. Now all you gotta do, tighten them up, not too tight enough, just snug, because you don't want to strip these bolts out, because good luck getting them out. And good luck finding the perfect size for it without going to like a specialty store. Because it has to have that, like right there, it's like smooth almost. Like it's a little lip, but it's smooth all the way around to the surface, so the wheel doesn't catch it and grab. So, all right, that's on now. Yeah? The only thing with this part, I don't remember how it goes together. All I remember is you put these screws in, just line them up, put these screws in. This plate, I think, does not come off, so you're good there. The horn is there. Automatically, you plug it in, and you're good to go. And then you tighten that up, and then you just put it on. If my thing was pulled back like it's supposed to be, just like that. So it should look like this when you go to put the steering wheel on. So you just push it in, and you twist it. Oh, it didn't ting. It didn't do the ting. Hold on, we gotta retry that. It's been off the vehicle for forever, so. There it is. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's get another one in there. Yes. The good old M1 Grand Reloader is back. Woo! Now I can move the truck. Oh, look at that. It's stable. Pull on it. It should not come off. If it comes off, redo everything. Take it all apart. Redo it. But yeah, steering wheel installed. It's a little far out there, so if you don't like how the steering wheel is so close to you, you can delete the quick release off here and then just bolt the steering wheel straight up to the hub, which is technically what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to use quick release for on-road activities. This is off-road only. So this is my video to you guys on how to install this for an off-road or a drift or off-road vehicle, aka my C10 or my C20 Chevy that will be driving down the highway. aka don't do this at home, kids. I am a trained professional. I've used this steering wheel forever. Like you can tell, like I've used and abused this thing. I love this steering wheel, but I do need to get a new one, which I probably will. I'll probably just get a new one to replace this steering wheel, and then take this steering wheel and throw it on my sim rig, so I have a full-size steering wheel instead of that tiny little thing that they put on there, which I hate. Logitech, fix that. Send me a new one. Lock the door, make sure you got keys, and you're done. Let me just steal this so nobody can drive my vehicle away. Good luck stealing it now. But yeah, this is the Kid Chris. I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video for you guys, little TSA on how to do things. I lost my Allen key, so I'm gonna have to go find that. But yeah, this is the Kid Chris. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.